In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photo with Grok AI. We'll start from a blank browser window and finish with a cleaner, sharper version of your picture, all using the built-in image upload and prompting tools. Follow along on your computer and pause anytime you need. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press Enter. In the results, click the official Grok website to open it. This takes you to the main chat interface where you can work with images and text together. Inside the chat box, look for the attach icon, usually shown as a small paperclip. Click that, then choose Upload a file. Your file picker will open. Browse to the photo you want to improve, select it, and confirm. If you have multiple versions, choose the highest resolution original for the best outcome. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well and upload quickly. With the image attached, place your cursor in the message field and write a clear prompt describing what you want fixed. For example, you can say, "Enhance this low-quality photo, fix grain, and sharpen details naturally." Keep your instructions simple and specific so the model knows exactly what to prioritize. If you're concerned about an over-processed look, add phrases like, "Keep it natural," "Preserve skin texture," or "Avoid haloing." If color is off, you can mention correct color cast or improve contrast while maintaining detail. Clear guidance helps the system balance noise reduction and sharpening without introducing artifacts. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Grok will process the image and return an enhanced result based on your description. Give it a few moments to run. Once the preview appears, look closely at edges, skin tones, and fine textures to judge whether the fix matches your intent. If it's too sharp or still noisy, adjust your prompt accordingly and submit again, for example by reducing sharpening, focusing on denoise, or asking for subtle enhancements. Small, incremental tweaks usually yield the most natural, consistent results, especially on portraits or images with fine patterns. That's it. You searched for Grok, opened the website, attached your picture, wrote a targeted prompt, and submitted it to generate a cleaner version of your photo. With a little experimentation in your wording, you can handle everything from light grain reduction to more noticeable clarity improvements. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you enhance your photos quickly and confidently using Grok AI.